purpose of this video. I wanted to show you a couple of things. I got these hair cutting scissors. Look, they came in a case and everything. They're beautiful. They're wonderful. They're heavy. Your hand fits right over, yeah, like that. They're great, great scissors. It has a little elastic to hold them in and a zipper around the case. I'll put the link down below for this. It was only $5 for that. I also got another scissor case, and this was less than $10. Came in this nice case, and look at this. It's a whole barber shop kit. So it comes with these clips, 2 of them. It comes with this comb, perfect. It comes with beautiful scissors, beautiful. It comes with thinning shears, which I hate using, but these are very substantial. And it comes with this, and I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is to rest up your scissors when you're not using them. Okay. So it comes in this case, and I'll put the link down below for this. This was a great, great deal. It's good to have. It's good to have. If you want to cut bangs or you want to trim somebody's hair, and I don't know if this has happened to you, but on your typing keyboard from your computer or your desktop or your laptop, I have about 7 letters that have just worn out. The white letter has just worn out. So I was going to replace the letters. I didn't know how I have to do that. I don't know if you have to replace the whole keyboard. And then with my little googly searching, I found these. These are stick-on keyboard letters. Perfect. You peel them off and put them on the keyboard. It's perfect. All my letters are back to normal. I mean, I know where the letters are, but when you're typing fast, it helps to see the letters. And it came with those instructions. I just have a tendency to wear out my laptop letters. I also want to show you one more thing. This is what I have in my Etsy store, and it seems that a lot of people like them because it is one of my #1 sellers. They are dupes for the Museum of Ice Cream collab with Sephora, which costs over $100. So mine are way, way, way less. And I love them. They're adorable. They're a great gift. And I'll put the link down below to my Etsy store, and you can find them there. I just wanted to let you know. So I did get a little present in the mail from Teddy Blake, and you have to see this bag. This is a bag that will suit many, many of you on-the-go women. And I am on the go. When I am on the go, I am on the go, and I don't want to drag a bag with me. I want a crossbody, something that you don't have to use as a crossbody. You could use as a shoulder, but looks good as a crossbody. So I'm going to unbox it right in front of you right now. First of all, here is the box. It came in a brown cardboard box with this in it. They always ship with a great box. So it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. These bags are made with the highest quality Italian leather. So it comes with the paper. Let's take that off. Ooh, I did wait a while for this because I really wanted this one. So, look, it comes in beautiful, beautiful bag. Dust bag. And this is a bucket suede leather. It's gorgeous. Oh, it is gorgeous. It's beautiful. And look at this. Okay, let's look. Little gold bar. Then the strap has a few slots with little gold balls to make it tighter. And it also has a shoulder pad. Also, it's all suede here and leather here. Ooh, looky, looky. That is so nice. Let's go in. So we have, what do we have here? Ooh, something's attached to the strap. Oh, very cool. A little purse. Store your important things in here and make sure they don't fall out of your bag if they're in this little purse. So let's take out the paper, toss it, and let's look inside. Okay, it's a pretty big size. Pretty big size. And it is leather. It says it's called the ELIZA Black Small. Now, this is why I love these, because you can just get in and out, in and out. You can wear it crossbody. It looks fabulous. I could make it a little lower. And you can also wear, this is a shoulder bag. And you know, you could get in and out of it very easy. I would like to interrupt this video and say that I spoke to the people at Teddy Blake, and they are giving away on my video a beautiful $300 wallet and a $100 credit card holder. That is a $400 giveaway from Teddy Blake. So generous of them. So just leave me a comment below, anything you want to say, and I will enter you in the giveaway. I will not be able to reply because then my name and my comment will get mixed up and it will take away from one of you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here so much. Have a wonderful holiday. I will be coming back to do a video, do the 20 favorite things from 2020 and with Mary Ellen after 60 and Natalie the Beauty Diva, and I hope you will join us. And I'll see you. Have a great day. Love you all.